Meaning of hurling.
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 Hurling. Hurling is a traditional Irish sport that involves two teams using a stick called a hurley to hit a small ball called a sliotar through their opponent's goalposts. The game is known for its fast-paced and physical nature, with players using a combination of skill, speed, and strength to outmaneuver their opponents. The result is a thrilling and dynamic sport that requires both individual excellence and teamwork. Hurling has a rich history in Ireland, with the first recorded games dating back over 2,000 years, and it remains an important part of Irish culture and identity to this day.